Hi again, everybody. Perfect Storm Trading. It is Tuesday afternoon at 4 o'clock Eastern. Making the video for Wednesday morning. Want to pick up on where I left off on Tuesday's video. We had illustrated the two highs that came in the overnight timing windows. We had the first high last night at about 1900 hour, and then right at the end of the next window we made a higher high at about 2:10, 2:12 in the morning around the start of the European session. That was a good entry point. We had a sharp move off of that. We did end up getting an opportunity to get in on that after the session open here, where we completed this five wave up move off of this low at 645 or so. Made this five wave up move into a 618 retracement, and there was a trigger at that point on the rainbow, which I'll show you. And then I mentioned that this first expected scenario was new low in this window here, or otherwise we would retrace and then come back to make a new high. So after the 618, you got the short trigger, which pointed into this becoming a new low in this window. Let me pull the rainbow in to show you that. Here's the rainbow chart. That retracement kicked in and triggered. We had the green A2 and the green A8, and we made that high right at the end of the A2 window, and that set that short off. We had other rainbow potential triggers here. This was a secondary entry point on the A2A4, and then we had the A6 and A8 paired up here as a midpoint. There was no reversal bar, so there was no short trigger there. That ended up indicating that would be a midpoint, and what happened, it continued, finished that swing at the next indication on the A6. That traded down, went a little quiet here at 1340, and then the last window that we had was single window on the A4. Stopped the sideways move and kicked up a reversal, and then we did a little ABC and came back to a new low inside the window. Last thing I want to point out is on the Astro XL, the 30-minute Astro XL. You can see from the Sunday night open, we're tracking the pattern pretty well. We had the green line up until late on the 28th, peaked out here right as we were going into the first. So that uptrend was confirmed on the green line by the market action. Made a new high as the green line started to trek down. We had one last push up to a new high in our timing window, and then we started the downward trend. So we've had this ABC down move on the bigger picture on the 30-minute chart. So now we're bottomed out on that green line here, and now we're going to start to trek back up. So we'll see what happens. Anyhow, our low is in the timing window, so that's what I wanted to point out, show you how to operate with the tools in tandem with each other. So that's it for today. We'll be back again tomorrow with another video. We'll see you then.